How to customize the Canvas dashboard. The dashboard is a space that gives you a quick look at everything that is happening in all your courses. By default, you see the information about the courses in card view. If you want to change this view, just click on the 3 dots to the right of the dashboard title. You can choose 3 types of display: card view, list view, or recent activity. The card view includes information about announcements, assignments, discussions, and files. When items are pending to be read, you will see the icon in blue accompanied by the number of items waiting to be read. One click will take you straight to them. You also have many options for customizing this page. For example, you can change the background color, either by choosing one of the colors or by entering the code for your chosen color. Or you can choose which courses you want to appear. By default, the active courses are shown, but you can add past courses or delete ones that you have dropped out of. To do so, click on Courses on the left side menu. Select all courses. Once inside, mark the ones you want to display with a star. If you opt for the list view, the history of pending tasks appears in chronological order. In the top menu, you can go to today's tasks by clicking the Today button. Add a new pending task by clicking on the plus symbol. Check your grades by clicking on the notebook icon. Access notifications via the bell icon. If you change the view to recent activity, you will see recent notifications for all your courses, announcements, discussions, assignments, and more. Pending notifications will have a blue icon. You can view the details of each notification by clicking on the name and delete the notification. As you can see, you can keep up to date with your assignment easily, but remember to click on the course to see the details.